Hi student, this is Sivakumar. 10th standard mathematics, chapter number 8, continuation of exercise 8.1, now problem number 10. The rainfall recorded in various places of 5 districts in a week are given below. Rainfall in millimeters given, that should be considered as x, xi. Number of places, that is f, that is fi, xi, fi. Right? Find the standard deviation. Here, rainfall in millimeter, that is xi. Number of places, that is fi. Write the first row in first column, second row in second column. Here, now we can go for that assumed mean method. Okay. Now look at that, x values are uniformly increased. 45 plus 5, 50, 50 plus 5, 55, like that. In that case, how to find the value of that assumed mean? A. Find the middle value. Here we have two middle numbers. 55 and 60. You can take any one of them, either 55 or 60. I go for 60. A, that is equal to 60. Now, what is here? Di, that is equal to deviation. Di formula xi minus a. X value is here 45. A value is here 45 minus 60, that is equal to minus 15. Next one 50. 50 minus 60, that is equal to minus 10. Next one 55. 55 minus 60, that is equal to minus 5. Next number 60. 60 minus 60, that is equal to 0. Next one 65. 65 minus 60, that is equal to 5. And next one is 70. 70 minus 60, that is equal to 10. Now, this each and every number can be divided by 5. So, you can divide by C. That C value, that is equal to 5. Divide by 5. You will be getting, this is minus 3. Here minus 10 by 5, that is equal to 2. Minus 5 by 5, that is equal to 1. 0 by anything is 0. 5 by 5, that is equal to 1. 10 by 5, that is equal to 2. Di square means here di values, each and every number should be squared. Minus 3 squared is 9. Minus 2 squared is 4. Minus 1 squared is 1. 0 squared is 0. 1 squared is 1. 2 squared is 4. Fi into di. F values here, D values here. You have to multiply 5 into minus 3, minus 15. 13 into minus 2, that is equal to minus 26. 4 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 4. And 9 into 0 is 0. 5 into 1 is 5. And 4 into 2 is 8. Finally, Fi into di squared. F values here, di squared value. Here, multiply 5 9s are 45. 13 4s are 52. 4 1s are 4. 9 into 0, 0. 5 1s are 5. 4 4s are 16. Then you have to add Fi di and Fi di square. Separately you have to add even Fi. Now we can add 5 plus 13 is 18 plus 4 22 plus 9 31. 31 plus 5 36 plus 4 is 40. Minus 15 minus 26, that is equal to minus 41. Minus 41 minus 4, that is equal to minus 45. Minus 45 plus 5, that is equal to minus 40. Minus 40 plus 8, that is equal to minus 32. Here 5 plus 2 7 plus 4 11 plus 5 16 plus 6, that is equal to 22. Balance 2 plus 4 6 plus 5 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. 122. Now we can write the formula for standard deviation. Standard deviation sigma, that is equal to, since we have considered C into, so what method it is? Still deviation method. C into square root of sigma Fi di square divided by capital N. N, this is capital N. Sigma Fi and capital N are same. Minus sigma Fi di by capital N the whole square. That is equal to, C value here it is, C that is equal to 5 into square root of sigma Fi di square value here it is 122 divided by N value that is 40 minus sigma Fi di value here it is minus 32 divided by capital N value is 40 the whole square. Now 122 divided by 40 equals, I do the calculation, 122 divided by 40, 3 times 120 balance 2, put the decimal point here, 0, no chance of dividing, so 20 and 40 have to put 0, 0, how many times? 5 times 200, remainder 0. Like that 32 divided by 40. Next one 32 divided by 40. Cannot be, put the decimal point, 0 point, here 0, 8 times, 8 into 40, 320. 0.08. Sorry, 0.8. So 5 into, right? 5 into square root of 122 by 40 value is 3.05 minus 32 by 40 minus, first write minus 32 by 40 value is 0.8. So minus 0.8 square. That is equal to 5 into square root of 3.05 minus, we are not supposed to multiply these two, first you have to eliminate the power, so write this minus as it is. While squaring minus, minus become plus, 0.8 the whole square that is equal to 0.64. I do it here, 0.8 into 0.8 that is equal to 8 8s or 64. Here after decimal point 1 digit, here 1 digit, totally 2 digits, after 2 digits keep the decimal point. So what's the answer? 0.64. Now you have to subtract 5 into square root of 3.05, 0.64. Subtract. So subtract 5 minus 4 is 1. If you borrow 10 minus 6 that is equal to 4. It will be 2 only. Here 10. 2 minus 0 that is 2. 2.41. Now you have to find out the square root of 2.41. Then that should be multiplied with 5. Now how to find the square root of 2.41? Listen. I do it here. 2.41. After that you can add n number of zeros. It's a long division method. Here we have the number 2. So we can go up to 1 only. 1, 1 is 1. Subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then bring down 2 digits, that is 41. So I have taken 41 after the decimal point, so put the decimal point over here. Whatever the number that should be multiplied by 2, 1 into 2, 2 here. Then we can go how many times? Maximum 5 times only. Here also 5. Both the numbers should be same. 5 into 25 that is equal to 125. No chance of taking 6. If you take 6 here also you have to put 6. 6 into 26 will be exceeding 141. So no chance of taking 6. So you have to subtract 41 minus 141 minus 125 that is equal to 16. Then bring down 2 more digits, that is 00. Now we can multiply 15. You have to consider as 15. 15 into 2 that is equal to 30. How many times? We can go again 5 times. Here also 5. 5 into 305 that is equal to 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 1525. It should be nearer to 1600, not exceeding 1600. So then you have to subtract 1600 minus 1525 that is equal to 75. So 1.55. Further you can proceed, two more zeros to be brought down. Now we have to multiply it by 2. 155 into 2, that is equal to 310. How many times? We can go only 2 times. Here 2, here also 2. If you multiply it by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 into 0 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Look at that. Nearer to that is 7500. You have to subtract 10 minus 4, that is equal to 6. It will be 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. Since we have borrowed, 4 will be there. 4 minus 2, 2. And 7 minus 6, that is equal to 1. 1296. 1296. So after decimal point, 3 digits enough. It's approximate value only. Now we can write over here. That is equal to 5 into, what is the square root of 2.41? Here it is 1.552. 1.552 equal. Now we have to multiply. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 is 26. Balance 2. 5 5s are 25 plus 2 27. Balance 2. 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7. After decimal point we have 3 digits. So after 3 digits give the decimal point. So what is the answer? 7.76 approximately. Okay, this is the final answer. That's a standard deviation value 7.76. Each and every time you have to put approximately only, because you haven't taken the exact value. So approximate value only have taken, so that at the end you have to put approximately for all the problems. Okay, now problem number 10 is completed. Then I'll be teaching the problem number 11 in the next video. Thank you, children.